We're ready to go.
It's ready.
Alright, I thought I'd show you the last operation in building a latch assembly. And all we need to do now is form this square piece here up to a 90-degree angle. There's many ways we can do that, including just the conventional way of putting the part over here like this and then coming down with a regular V-punch. The only problem that creates is where it rubs here and here, it's going to leave a mark on the part here and here. So that wouldn't be a good idea for this because some of these parts are going to be polished and chrome plated. So what we've come up with is we don't really care about this side. This side is not going to be seen too much, but we want to keep this surface nice and clean, no dings, no scratches, no any kind of marks whatsoever. So then we come up here, decide to make a tool that looks like this. And this is a tool that rides on an air cushion underneath here. It has a pad up on top that has locating pins for the two holes. That's going to locate exactly where this part's going to be on this tool. There is no miscalculation. If you notice, there's a rail over here which is going to be doing the forming along with the punch up here. On this side, you'll notice that there's another rail, and this rail is taller than this one. The reason for that is we're only forming one side, and the punch and the tool is going to want to kick over this way with the pressure involved in forming this piece here. So this will stop that from happening because the punch has to enter here first. Now Craig has asked about the air cushion, and basically it's on pins down here, this plate, and when it let out the air, you'll see how the cushion drops back and forth. Now I'm going to turn off the air. On the side of the press over here, we can adjust the air pressure, whatever we need. So we'll keep it right about there. Now the first part here, this is a steel part, and I'm going to go ahead and form this in slow motion for you so you can see how the process works. And the part just goes right on those two little pins there. And I'm going to go ahead and bring this thing around by hand slowly so you can see how this part forms. If you also notice, let me bring it up again. If you notice underneath here, there's a big cutout in the punch to accept this form that's here so that it's not hitting flat. And also on the side of the punch, on the other side, you'll notice there's been cut out right here to accept the nut plates and the little tongue area that has been formed. So let's go ahead and form this part by hand, and we'll see how it's done in slow motion. Now it's all the way down, the part's been formed up. The nut plates are going inside there for the clearance. And we'll bring it back up. Now we'll bring it under power. Now we machine just enough here so the part actually doesn't drop back down by itself. We have to physically pull it out a little bit. This way the part doesn't drop and scratch the good side that we want to have a good shine to. So I'll put in another part here. I'm going to go ahead and put a little oil right along the rail so that it doesn't mar and scratch. And we'll do this one under power. There we go. This one here is a high polished stainless steel part. It's got oil on it right now, but that's all going to clean up. So this will be the high end of these shells that are going to be available in the next few days or weeks to come. But this part is finished. Next thing on the agenda is going to be this complete unit here. That's down the line, not too far distance. It's going to go in here. As you can see, everything's going to fit really, really nice. So there you have it in a nutshell. Pretty simple, huh?
Cut.